And we're on. Hey. Um, yes, I'm not used to talking out loud. I haven't been talking a lot this week with my voice. I have been writing, which is different. And I've been communicating with animals, as I do sometimes, working from more intuition and a different spot. And it's humid here. I'm Queensland at the moment. Angel, you're coming here for the video. You want to come and say hi? Come and say hi to the video. Where are you? So, video, I need to go on video. They know animals. You want to come and say hi? People want to see your little cute face. Come here. Yes, of course. She's waggling. I need to say hi. Hi, peoples. Hi, peoples. My name is Angel. And I open people their heart chakra. That's what she does. Yeah, you open people their heart chakra. I love everybody. Not really. She doesn't. She tries hard. Oh, you're stressed now. You just let her go. But yes, she does love videos. So, Angel, I thought, let's do a card of Archangel Michael. It's an energy, the Archangel Michael energy, that I use a lot when it comes to making sure you feel always safe, because we are always safe. But often with the heat, my hair bothers me. Sorry. This is what spirituality looks like when you have a writer's block, which I'm having right now at the moment. It started yesterday. And I have to push through this, and then emotions come up, and I have to work with my emotions. And I also can feel that there's a lot of change in the air. And because I'm so sensitive, I feel these shifts, and then certain things are being turned back, and I'm like, no, I want it to go forward. And it's like, yeah, but it's still going that way. And the birds are agreeing with me. Can you hear it? They go, yeah. They feel my frustration at the moment for things not happening at the speed that I want. And that's a great lesson, because the lesson is things are what they are, and that's it. It doesn't have to be any different. It's just our thinking, logical mind, things like, oh, this is not what I want. I don't want it to be like that. And that's not how it is. Things just are. They are what they are, and that's it. And then you deal with it. You deal with the emotion. Oh, no, she's running away. When I talk like that, she doesn't like it. She goes, sits in the bathroom. It's nice and cool there. Animals are great reflectors of our emotions. So when you have emotions that you haven't dealt with, or that you're trying to deal with, being around animals is so healing, because they are always here in the now, acting as they see you to your emotion. They just are who they are. They don't have this, I think I should be, or something. I think I should be different than I am, or I think the world should be different than I am. They don't even have that. They go, oh yeah, pain, I don't like pain. They react in the moment, but then it's gone. And some stories are sad, like their unconditional love. I remember this story of a long time ago. My vet, she said that a dog was brought in, and he had been badly beaten by his owner, had broken leg and a lot really bad. I don't want to go and say too many negative things, but anyway, so she fixed the dog up. And when the owner came to pick it back up, the dog was so happy to see the owner is jumping up. When I hear that story, I bawl my eyes out, because I sense that is unconditional love. The beating had finished, whereas we as human beings, if we get a painful experience, it stays with us, and we repeat it over and over and over. So we are not victim once, twice, or three times. We are victim all the time. We keep telling ourselves the story. This is what I am. I am a victim. And this is what the perpetrator did. Animal doesn't do that. The animal might sense like, oh, the energy is getting a bit, and they go into another room, because that's not the emotion. She likes it when I go, yeah, I'm going to do a video and I'm going to try and see if I can help people with something. She likes that energy. And then when I get frustrated with myself, she's like, yeah, no, I'm out of here. I don't want you to be frustrated, because next thing, she's a rescue dog, and she might have had people who had problems being who they are and pretending to be different than they were, with the emotions and all that. So she feels that, she will react to that, okay? And I just wanted to tell you, it is fine to be you, 100%, all the time. Don't be different than you are. The world needs you just as you are right now, and that's what was coming through. So if you feel with certain things and changes right now that you want to feel a bit extra protected, yeah, Angel is there to protect you. And Archangel Michael. Ooh, this one popped out. So it says to lean on the divine. It says God, but I usually use the word divine and on angels for support. So it means on the higher energies. You know, you go to your higher self, to the connection that you have with your higher self. This sounds a little bit Catholic. I'm sure it's not meant to be Catholic, although Catholic Church does use Archangel Michael. The way I interpret this card is, you know how I do the, because it says I step out of the way, allow divine miracles to shine through everyone and everything involved. So this is the exercise I always say to people. You go and you go into a deep meditation, you walk into a temple, and there's this beautiful altar, and you take your situation, your pain, your emotion that you have difficulties dealing with, you take it, you put it on the altar, and you say, please, divine source energy, Holy Spirit, whatever you want to call it. Holy Spirit is often the language used in Course in Miracles. You say, please help me in this situation. I'm putting this on the altar to be altered. I want to see this from your perspective, not from in my body full of judgment and stories perspective. I want to see this. I want to raise the vibrational level of this whole thing. Does that make sense? You want to, because when you look at things from a higher level, they are not bad. They are what they are, and it is something that is needed in a bigger context. But from our small egos, things might look, you know, oh, I can't face it. Oh, I can't do that. I can't deal with it. But you can. Of course you can. You just have to make sure that you let the divine energy assist you in this. That was my rant for this week. Next week's my holiday, my birthday. Yeah, I'm not working. I'm not working that day. Although if I do get a spurt and suddenly start to write all these things, then I will for sure. Yeah, so if you don't already, please follow me on Facebook and Instagram and put comments and stuff up. I like that, or reply to these emails. If there's things I can help you with, never ever hesitate to ask. Okay, bye for now and have an amazing week.